Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Amazon Shopping, and here we will be learning how you can log out of your Amazon account on your mobile phone application or even in your desktop. And here's the thing, the procedure is the same for both Android and iOS, so let's get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is open the Amazon Shopping application on your mobile phone. Let us wait a few seconds for it to be registered, and as you can see, we are in the home page right now. In the bottom right corner, you can see an icon of 3 lines. Select there. And just above the 3 icons, you can see the options orders, buy again, account and list. Select the second last option, that is account. Once you select there, you come up to various other options. Select content and device. So if you do content and device, you get to this new page, manage your content and device. Instead of content, we select the second option, that is devices. Since I have logged in, let me just deregister it. If I deregister it, once I deregister it, I will certainly be out of this account in this phone. So here's the thing, this account may be registered in various other phones, like in your phone, in your tablets, on your computers, TVs, etc. So once you come to this page, you may just select any device that you have this account registered in, and if you just want to log out from all those devices, all you need to do is deregister and select deregistered here. I'm not going to do that because I do not wish to log out, but once you do that, you will be logged out from that device. So you have the power to log out of this account in any other devices that you like. So that is how you log out from your device, or also almost all devices that you wish for. If this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.